Unit 6. Listening. Part 4. Exercise 3. Speaker 1.
Yeah, well, several of the volcanoes in my country have erupted in recent years and thrown huge clouds of dust into the sky. This ash is dangerous for aircraft, so there have been times when airports all over Europe have had to close down. It's very dark everywhere when a volcano has just erupted. Normally, though, the weather in my country is mild all year because we're an island. Our summers don't get very hot, and our winters are rarely very cold. But because we're located between the cold air and sea of the Arctic and the warmer air and sea of the more temperate countries, we sometimes get several seasons in a day. Sunshine and mild temperatures, windy, cool temperatures and rain, snow and temperatures below zero. Weird, eh?
Speaker 2.
The cities in my country are getting hotter, and we get a lot of industrial pollution now. In addition, the ocean is warming, and sea levels are rising. We've always had quite a lot of flooding during the rainy season, and that's getting worse, much more extreme. The whole continent is experiencing climate change. I live in a very large country, so the climate varies according to where you are. For example, in the far north, there's a semi-desert with mineral deposits and fantastic game reserves with giraffes and things. That contrasts with the land along the coast, which is humid and tropical, and where there's a mixture of rainforest and farmland. And finally, the areas inland are much cooler and wetter than the coast, because there is regular rainfall.
Speaker 3.
People often associate my country with cold weather and snow, but in fact the climate is very diverse. There are 4 very distinct seasons. In summer, temperatures can rise to 35 degrees Celsius and higher, and scientists are saying that this extreme heat will increase with global warming. In winter, when most parts of the country have snow, temperatures fall as low as minus 25 degrees Celsius. But we manage to stay warm because we have heated houses, cars, and public transportation systems. Some cities have even installed walkways to and from buildings and schools, although mine hasn't got one yet. Spring is generally pleasant and very mild. The fall is often cool, but really bright with rich orange and red leaves on trees. That's certainly my favorite time of year.